Africa will start to receive the first deliveries of 400 million doses of Johnson & Johnson vaccine next week, the African Union's special envoy on COVID has said. With the continent in the grip of a severe third wave of infections, it's hoped the influx of vaccines could boost immunisation campaigns. So far, just 60 million shots have been administered in a population of 1.3 billion.
400 million doses.
Strive Masiwa said the J&J doses would arrive in batches up until September 2022. But the telecoms billionaire also lamented that vaccines are not being produced on the continent.
We prefer that they license producers in Africa rather than to produce under contract, because we want to be treated the same way as they produce in India. Okay? If they can produce under license in India, they should be able to produce under license in Africa.
Masiwa was speaking after Pfizer and BioNTech announced a fill and finish deal with South Africa's Biovac Institute. It involves Biovac carrying out the final stages of vaccine manufacturing, where the product is processed and put into vials. CEO Morena Mokwana said it was a first for Africa and the Southern Hemisphere.
I think it's historic for an African manufacturer and for us as a continent.
The company is targeting maximum output of 100 million doses a year by early 2023. However, Pfizer and BioNTech will handle drug substance production at their facilities in Europe. Médecins Sans Frontières called the arrangement restrictive and said much more needs to be done to support vaccine independence in Africa. The deal also comes as Pfizer and BioNTech try to sway World Trade Organization members away from a waiver on some intellectual property rights for COVID-19 vaccines. On Thursday, Masiwa said the 400 million doses would inoculate around half of those in need of vaccines on the continent, but that local production is the real answer. Addressing the pharmaceuticals industry, he said, "If you want land, we will give. If you want to own everything 100%, we don't mind. Just produce on the African continent."